Today I'm reviewing the Drunk Elephant Wonderwild Miracle Butter. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos, so if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbu.com, check out my Patreon community, or click on the link below. Okay, so I'm not super excited about Drunk Elephant, but I'll still review their stuff. Probably not going to be fangirling about them like I once did years ago, but anyway, I'll still review their stuff. So, okay. So I say, Drunk Elephant Wonderwild Miracle Butter is an intensely nourishing salve that rescues and soothes dry, chapped, irritated, or compromised skin, supporting the skin's natural healing abilities. Although I did mention this in a new product video, and I did really appreciate Shauna's comment. If something calls itself a miracle, it's certainly not going to be a miracle, and that's usually the case. I don't know. What else do we have? We have Miracle everything. Miracle swimsuits. I mean, those never work either. So, okay. On to my first criteria, which is packaging. No issues with the packaging. It's a cute little bottle. So, it's got 2 ounces in it, which actually is, I don't know, why doesn't everything else look so much smaller and only has 1 ounce in it? I don't know. So, no issues with the packaging. In terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, it doesn't contain any of those. It's also fragrance-free, so that's nice. And then the manufacturing location for this one is the U.S., so no issues with that. So let's talk about using it. So they say, dab it anywhere that needs extra love. Wonderwild Miracle Butter may be applied anywhere on the face and body, including eyes and lips, as often as needed. I kind of disagree with that because I found if I use this anywhere in my face, in my T-zone, my face would hate me the next morning. Although I have a very dry patch on the back of my neck here, and I've been using it on that, and it's been just fine. So anywhere on the neck, or sometimes in my elbows, they get a little dry, so I'll put a little bit on there, and on the back of my hands. It's just fine anywhere else but the face. Not exactly sure. Well, I know why, because I'm going to get to the ingredients, and there's some that you will not really be excited to slather everywhere. Okay, let me give you just a little texture too. So there, it's just got a kind of a creamy texture, and it smooths into skin nicely, and sets to a very radiant finish, which is probably why another reason you won't be super excited about using it on your face. Perhaps if this had come out before winter instead of after winter, my face might have been able to tolerate it better when my skin was really dry, but now that it's spring and summer, I don't really need it so much. So if a few months ago it came out, maybe I still think my face would have been upset with me though. But anyway, okay. Let's see. Okay, in terms of the beneficial ingredients, so we've got marula oil, an emollient. It's a good ingredient rich in fatty acids and vitamin E. Then we get to the next ingredient, which is coconut oil, which is something that a lot of people can use. Probably most people can use just fine, no issues. But a lot of people find coconut oil to cause breakouts and make their skin clogged and unhappy. If you're one of them, don't use this on your face. Okay, next up, we've got hydrogenated vegetable oil, which is an emollient. There's never been a day where I've been cooking and I'm like, God, I should slather some vegetable oil on my face. The thought has never occurred to me. Maybe on the back of my hands, but certainly not on my face. So, but it's a good emollient. Then we've got pumpkin seed oil, which is another good emollient. We've got shea butter. We've got marula seed butter, another good emollient, rich in fatty acids. We've got, actually this ingredient, I'm starting to notice it's getting more and more popular. Mango seed butter. It's similar to many other plant oils. It's moisturizing and very hydrating, has medium spreadability and gives the skin a creamy feel. It contains almost all of the essential amino acids, has several antioxidant compounds, including ferulic acid, and is a good source of nourishing fatty acids. Then we've got, I think it's pronounced Cupuaçu butter. Cupuaçu. So, skin protecting ingredient. We've got green tea seed oil, which is a good moisturizing ingredient. We've got rosehip oil, good emollient, and known for its high omega fatty acid content. and skin regenerating properties. Then we've got cuckoo nut oil, which is a nut that comes from Hawaii. It's shown to have anti-inflammatory, pain-reducing, and wound-healing properties. It's also shown to have it's also shown to be a particularly rich source of moisturizing essential fatty acids. We've got jojoba seed oil, a good emollient. We've got Meadowfoam seed oil, another good emollient antioxidant. We've got rice bran oil, which is the oil that comes from rice, similar to many other emollient plant oils. It contains several skin nourishing, moisturizing fatty acids, antioxidant, vitamin E, and another antioxidant, gamma organzonol, or something like that. We've got avocado oil, a good antioxidant emollient, containing vitamins A, D, and E. Sunflower seed oil, another good emollient, and then finally grapeseed oil, good emollient antioxidant. So, as you can see, we've got hydrogenated vegetable oil, we've got coconut oil, we've got macadamia nut oil. All of these things are not super friendly for acne-prone skin. So, you can certainly use it on the back of your hands, on your neck, whatever, but my face, I'll never put it on my face ever again. Okay, in terms of animal testing, it's vegan as well as cruelty-free. Performance, so it's not a bad product. I will say they kind of market it like it's like a really thick face cream, and you can use it other places too. That's kind of how they market it, and I kind of disagree. I think it's more of a body product or just a irritating product if you have a dry area or a red patchy flakiness. You can use it there, but you just don't really want to use it on your face. Maybe your lips, maybe your eye area, but nowhere else on your face. Unless your skin just is not reactive at all. Okay, so let's see. Okay, in terms of acne-prone skin, we've got coconut oil, vegetable oil, jojoba seed oil, and avocado oil, and they are all very highly acnegenic, although the acnegenic scale is really independent. I mean, you can look at every ingredient and have no issues with any of them, but maybe one of them will be a problem for you, but nothing else will. I mean, it's just like everything else with skincare. In terms of the price, it's a little expensive, so it's the full size 2 ounces, 60 milliliters. It retails for $38, making it 63 cents a milliliter, so it's not ridiculously expensive, and a little bit of it goes a long way, but it's still kind of pricey. Then in terms of the it factor, not a terrible product for your body, dry areas. Then again, to be a really great product for your body, it's just not going to be big enough. I mean, because you couldn't use this all over your entire body. You really have to pick. But, again, your face is not great for your face, my face anyway. So, I'm torn. It's a product that they came out with, but I just don't necessarily see it working for most people on their face, other than your body. I mean, they should have just made this a really thick body cream. Is probably what it should have been, but anyway, they're too hoity-toity to do that. So anyway, okay, with the 10 being a perfect score, I gave this one a 7. I mean, it covers all the good bases, no fragrance, cruelty-free, good ingredient list, but it's just not going to work as well as I hoped it would for my dry face. So anyway, those are my thoughts on that one. Interesting from you guys if you had a chance to check it out yet or not, and if you have what your thoughts are, so leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.